Hey, hi, this is Manjuna Chandraya. Today we'll be learning how to sort a date in the pivot table. So, I have a small data here with the date, category, and the sales. So, when you have these dates, I need to get the months here. So based on the month, we need to sort it out. For that, I'll going to add an extra column called as month. So, from here, we'll try to pick only the month and the year. For that, you can use a text function, text, open bracket, select the cell, comma, double quote, MMM for the month, hyphen YY. You want 4 Ys for the number of years, double quote and close the bracket. Hit enter. So now we can see it has sorted with the month and the date. So if you try to put a pivot table for this, let's try insert pivot table existing sheet. I'll try to put it here only. I'm selecting this cell. So month I'll put it in the column, sales in the values, category in the row column. We close it. So as you can see here, April is here, but month January should have come into the H column, but it is in the L column. We try to sort it here, right? Sort. It is not happening. Sort by Z to A. So December is coming somewhere here and April somewhere here. So it is not in the proper order, right? So the reason is because this is in a text format, so it is not as changed to date format. For that, what we can do is in this cell, I'm going to add the column with the number for date also. For adding date, so what you can do is it's like you have month and the year. So I'll going to add the date as one. I'll add one for each of these so that 1st of January. So for to get that prior to the text, you can add one and okay. After that, we need a hyphen for right. We need to get a hyphen. So I start with the double quote hyphen again double quote hit and again and hit enter. So now you can see it is giving taking as the first of every month. I'll drag this formula down. So now it has come here. Let's refresh this data. So still it is not in the order, right? Let me sort it to small to big. So still it is coming as April. Still this is not working well, right? So as you can see, it says customized. So I'm going to select this data. Let's try doing the text column. Since it is in the date format, text column date, month to date, finish. Let's refresh again. So still it's not taking. So let me copy space special this value. Okay. Once you're done, still it is showing in the custom format. It's not in the date format. So I'll select this, go to data, text column, delimit, next, date format. So we'll set it as month, day, and the year. Finish. So now you can see it has sorted to what format we needed. So if you double click on it, it says 1st of January. So when you refresh here, okay, and the data is in the order. So it is in the 1 date. So we'll get change it to go to right click, format cells. Here you can change that to whichever format. So I'll just go here, customized. I'll put it as MMM hyphen and YYY. So that so you can see the example how it is going to reflect you on. Click OK and refresh your data. So now you can see January, February, March, April, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. The data has been sorted. Use this helper line and it is picking the data in the pivot table based on the as is sorted on the as per the date month. So you want to sort it by December to oldest to new, so you can use it. Sorry, newest to old. So now you can see December to Jan. It has changed. So for that we always use this helper line that will help you to sort your pivot table date wise or month wise. Hope this session was helpful. Do let me know for any other formula or any function so that I can create a video on the in future. And thank you for your time. Happy learning.